Welcome to our guide on how to find a specific person on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open X, Twitter, on your PC to start the search for the specific person. Step 2. Ensure you know the person's name or username on Twitter. Step 3. Utilize the search bar on Twitter's platform to type in the name or username of the person you are looking for. Step 4. After entering the name, click or tap on the profile of the person that matches your search criteria. Step 5. On the person's profile, click or tap on the follow button to connect with them and receive their updates on your feed. By following these steps, you can easily locate and follow a specific person on X, Twitter, on PC to engage with their tweets and stay connected. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to find a specific person on X, Twitter, on PC. Enhance your Twitter experience by connecting with individuals of interest to stay updated on their posts and engage with their content. Enjoy the convenience of finding and following specific people on X, Twitter, to enrich your Twitter feed with diverse perspectives and updates.